dean of Vlogmas. Did you like that, Dean?
Oh,
there were 3 in the bed, then the little one said,
"Go and sleep on the couch, Dad."
I know. So for those keeping up of the sleeping antics, it wasn't so good again last night. No, you were up at 10:30 and you would not go back to sleep. So yeah, I'm so sorry you slept on the sofa.
That's alright.
We slept in the pet. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in a bit.
Kiss your cool bark and hug you safe and tight, just as your mother would, only don't be afraid. We've got the Christmas decorations. Look! The spangles that sleep all year in a dark box, dreaming of being taken out and allowed to shine. You see, they've got the box of Christmas tree decorations.
She's so happy.
Who's that? What?
So today we are shopping. We're doing a bit of Christmas shopping and some kind of errands. And I have got to go and try on some shoes that I might want for Christmas if they fit. These weren't at all the shoes I came in for, but I do quite like them. And these were the ones I came in for, excuse the blue tights. But let's have a little look. We've lost Stephen and Bea. I wonder where they are. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh, she loves it. Uh-oh.
Well, we're going to say goodbye now.
Bye, Mousy. Might see you again.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right, should we go and have a look elsewhere?
Let's stay out of the way for a bit, suggested Peter. Oh, good idea, said Benjamin. The cousins set about playing rabbit cricket with holly berries.
Just to fill you in, we are doing our usual shopping thing. Steve and I come out, we're like, let's get stuff. And then about 5 minutes in, we're like, I'm hungry and tired and I don't want to do this. So we're in a restaurant and we're going to eat. And I'm very excited about that because I am so hungry and I'm really tired.
Old grey cloud with black hairy feathers, which rattled upon the top as he struck the mountain. Oh, and wait a minute.
Stephen is realising that our baby really doesn't want anything other than pudding. Alrighty, so we are on the car. Oh my gosh, I am very tired today. We are in the car on the way home. Well, we're about to leave anyway. Stephen's just putting the pram away. A bit of a bust, to be honest. I bought something for my dad. Did we get anything else? We've got some sponges for you, bees, because we need more. We need another sponge for the bath. Is that really it? Oh, I got some more advent gifts for Stephen. Yeah, I think that's it. So a little bit of a bust, but we had a nice lunch. And we're now going back home. And Stephen's got a few evening lessons. And then he's really on holiday, which is very exciting. So yes, I might have a little nap in the car. B, are you about to open your first Christmas card?
We got a little Christmas card.
It's quite a big one.
To Miss B. Ellis. This is your one.
Oh, Beezy
Somebody sent you a
Bub.
Christmas card. Do you want to, you want to open it? You ready? Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Granddaughter, hugs and kisses on your first Christmas.
Oh, that is so
With love.
lovely.
Look at that beautiful card. To our gorgeous Beatrix. Of all life's pleasures, great and small, a granddaughter is best of all. That's why these wishes come your way, with love for you on Christmas Day. Happy first Christmas, granddaughter. Love you lots from Grandpa and Grandma.
Oh,
Does it pass
she's
the taste test?
eating.
Does it pass the taste test?
Yay! Let's see it because it's such a
it's
pretty
such a
card.
gorgeous card. There you
Oh,
go.
it's
Do you want to hold it for everyone?
lovely.
Ooh,
Oh,
happy
baby. So while we're doing post, I got a lovely card from Crafty So-and-so. Yay, thank you so much, Freya and Sarah. That's so lovely of you. It's a gorgeous card. Bowden voucher, hello. And another lovely card from Faf. So lovely of them. Thank you very much, Laura and co there. And then also Close Parent, who are the nappies that we use, the reusable nappies, have sent a little bundle because we were part of the influencer day that they did swimming day, and it was amazing. And they've sent us like a goodie bag to be involved, as if being involved wasn't enough. So look at this. There's a walrus. There's what animals? There's bunnies, and snow leopards, I think. But yeah, nappies, which means we're now up to 10 reusable nappies, Stephen.
Awesome.
So that's amazing news. And these ones have got poppers as well, which is really cool. And this lovely bib, that is gorgeous. It can catch your food in it, Beezy Bub. More walruses for the bib. And this bag, which is so useful because this means that when we're out and about we can put the nappies in it and things. It's completely waterproof, really good for swimming. Yeah, very, very useful. So thank you, Close Parent. You
She's
too.
been super snuggly.
Super
Right.
snuggly.
And then I think we've got two
in
more
her
here.
Christmas socks. Yes. Oh, baby. You have a lot to say today, don't you? Okay, I really should edit Vlogmas and not just watch you, but you're too cute. I can't help it.
Hello YouTube, you just had dinner?
Oh, yes! We're just having a bit of end of dinner water. I tried to make it sound like a cocktail, but no. After dinner water. Yeah?
No words.
Okay.
Okay, so what day is it today?
12th of December!
Shall we 12th of December it up then?
Yay! Ooh! I really like to keep them all open, but they don't stay open. Oh, whatever, we'll do it later. Right, okay. B, what's it gonna be? See, B, what's it gonna be?
Hello.
Travel to where you learn the time. Well, back in time to learn the time. Then journey one level down. You'll find your gift with a capital G behind the collective nouns. Ah, okay, so there's I think I get that there's a clock in the bedroom, and then I'm going to go down a shelf, and I think I know where the collective nouns. Oh, and the collective nouns will be your library. It's in the bedroom there, isn't it? I'm going to go and check the bedroom. beautiful clock. And I mean, I feel like that's learning the time. Journey one level down, so here. Oh, because is this collective nouns? I don't know what collective nouns are. But they kind of are, aren't they?
Collective nouns are things like a murder of crows.
Oh.
Or a pack of lions.
Am I hot? Just general question.
I'll tell you later.
I think it's fine here. No, I'm cold, aren't I? Oh. Oh.
Ah.
Okay, maybe it is your library then. Learn the time. Learn the time. Okay, I think you've got collective nouns somewhere. I feel like I've seen that. And if it's around like ABC book kind of thing, then your ABC book kind of things are around here. I don't know where your stuff is.
That's why I gave you the first clue.
Travel to where you learn the time. History? Have you got a clock here? Oh no, it's really hard.
Well, have a look.
Okay.
You've literally got the whole...
Oh, that's a clock. That's a clock. Okay.
It's a good job I don't collect clocks.
Oh,
You might want to edit that.
I'm not going to. I think people will enjoy that. There's no collective nouns there. Right. I know, Beezy Bub, I know. Where else do we have clocks, darling? There's a clock there. Oh, collective nouns. Okay. You'll find your gift with a capital G. Is it in here then?
What does it say? Before you trash the library. It says don't trash the library. Do you not read that bit at the bottom?
So, travel to where you learn the time. Clock at the top. Oh, and it's learning because it's a fish price toy. Fish up price toil. Toy. Oh my god.
It's been a long day for both of us. And
then journey one level down. You'll find your gift with a capital G behind the collective. Ooh, I think I know where you've been today. I mean, even that didn't make sense. Where you've been today. What's Mummy got, baby? Abware. I know, I do have abware. I don't know what abware is.
Abware. Have you got an abware?
Ooh, I think it might be a bag. Oh, God, that's gorgeous. Oh, what a lovely mug. Look at Mummy's mug. It was abware. She's so clever. Oh, baby, thank you. That is absolutely gorgeous.
You see the front?
Oh, Anthropology make the best mugs. You've totally nailed it.
Somebody's found the paper.
Oh, do you want to play with the paper, baby? She's like, not if you want me to. Only if it's a slightly rebellious thing.
Happy 12th, happy 12th of December, darling.
So much. Mwah, mwah. Thank you.
Well, certainly.
Hey, Snack Attack. What snacks are you eating?
Pigs in blanket crisps.
Oh, that's so
They're
good.
very, very Christmassy.
Okay, right. Over to there you go, please, sir. What day, pray tell, is it?
What, Friday the 13th?
Oh,
you're kidding. I
uh-oh.
hadn't even worked that one out.
Unlucky.
Is it like dangerous to open this one?
Yeah, I would be really careful. It will change your life.
Hey, you got me a gremlin.
I'm quite proud of this poem.
This is a good one. Alright, I'm gonna buckle up for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 6 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. This will help you keep your initial place. 9, and yes, of course, 10. You'll find me in paper and in the pen. What?
I know, it's a proper riddle, this one.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 6 more, so there's 10. 5, 6, 7, 8. This will help you keep your initial place.
That's a real riddle. I would be really confused with this one.
Keep your initial place. Is it a bookmark?
Very clever. But it's not what, it's where.
9 and yes, of course, 10. You'll find me in paper and in the pen.
Okay, silence isn't that good for Vlogmas.
Oh, sorry. I'm thinking. Okay, well, I'm assuming it's something to do with all the paper and stuff over there and possibly the fact that the pens are there.
Okay. Read it one more time now. The last bit. The last line.
9 and yes, of course, 10. You'll find me in paper and in the pen. Oh, the baby pen. So it's in the pen, in paper, in the pen. Ah. Ah.
Wait, you're not...
What? It's fun.
I know, but you were, I wasn't showing them.
Awesome. I just wanted a new bookmark.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's your initial place.
Very clever.
It is clever. It's all pretty clever. If you go back over it now knowing
1,
it.
2, 3, 4. I think there are 6 more.
So there's 10.
Yep.
Oh.
Good.
Yep.
5, 6, 7, 8. This will help you keep your initial place.
Yes.
9, and yes, of course, 10. You'll find me in paper and in the pen. So it'll be in the book and also in the pen.
Yeah.
That's genius, darling. That's your best one yet.
Yes. Nailed
That's
it.
really nice. Thank you very much.
Oh, no problem.
No one in our family lives on the Upper West Side.
Have you heard of a car?
I am going to be at the club every night once it opens. Ethan starts school in fall. Where are you in the fall? Let me see.
My, we have discovered a flair for the dramatic, haven't we?
Dusseldorf, Frankfurt, Zurich, Stockholm. Great. So I'll take him. You pick him up?
Joe, our children cannot go to school in Queens.
Why?